I hope you're all ready for a great Friday and a weekend ahead of you. But before we get there, we have more lives to change. So let us recap this week. Monday, we talked about the 2003 study from Duke University that was published in the journal Molecular and Cellular Biology about agouti mice. We talked about identical genotypes but different phenotypes. For you non-biology majors, this means genetically identical mice with not only differing physical appearances, but functional appearances as well. So landmark study in epigenetic, talking about epigenetic modifications. And the most striking thing for me is not only in a single generation, but generational for multiple heirs. So Tuesday, we talked about cells being able to live 2+ months without the nucleus of the cell, without DNA even in it. It's because your DNA is not the brain. It's merely just a blueprint that can build proteins in over 2,000 different variations. So what have we been missing this whole time? We've been missing the environmental trigger that alters the protein, or that sleeve on the gene. On Wednesday, we further hammered it home with some pretty predominant research supporting that only 5% of cancer and cardiovascular illness can be attributed directly to genetics. Thursday, we talked about quantum physics. We talked about energy fields, especially with inside you. That is your nervous system, and that is what helps shape cells, bring them to life, allow them to interact with each other and their internal and external environment. So as we come to Friday now, and we've been working to inspire our patients all week, my question then is, what about you? Are you blaming your circumstances on someone else? Are you making the appropriate environmental changes in your life? So it's not only the beginning of the year and a new start for our patients, but it's a new start for you and our team and your family. So make the appropriate decisions so that way you can lead a life by example and improve the next generations to come in your lineage. Have a great weekend.